In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add a logo on your Wix website. So for this, you want to go to Wix. I'm at My Sites and I'm just going to click on a random website. I'll just go with this one. So click on Select and Edit Site. Now this will bring you over to the settings or the home page. Let's see. Yes, okay, so this will bring you over to the dashboard of your website. Now once you're here, you want to scroll down and you want to click on Settings right there and then click on General Info. So right here you can see all of this information, but if you click on General Info, you should be able to scroll down and then right there you'll find logo. So all you need to do next is simply click right here. Let's just remove this and you'll then be able to click on Add Logo right there, click on it and then select a logo for your online store or website. So that's pretty much what I would do and how you can actually add a logo. If this quick video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I'll just show you that this actually works and there you go. So like I said, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.